A guide to fix Instagram video not playing. Let's say if you open your Instagram and you find any of the video or photo that is not playing and you need to fix that, all you can do is that you can go to the Google. Firstly, you need to test your internet speed. So you need to test for internet speed. And if it is low, you won't get video playing. All you can do is that you can switch your Wi-Fi to cellular data, or otherwise you can switch your mobile data to Wi-Fi. So run speed test, and if the speed is good, you can search for Instagram down detector. So you can search for Instagram down detector. It will show you if Instagram is slow or the servers are down within 24 hours. If the servers are down, you need to wait for until Instagram is working well and good. Or otherwise, if these two doesn't fix your Instagram, you can scroll to settings, scroll down to find apps. There you can search for Instagram. You can tap on that. All you can do is that you can clear the data of Instagram and you uninstall it and reinstall for fixing Instagram video not playing. Thank you.